Ever think you have to buy a whole share. It doesn't matter if you buy a whole share. It really doesn't. Just buy what you can. $20 worth, $50 worth, 100. If you can buy three, the whole share, that's fine too. And so GLD is that ticker symbol. That's one way to get into gold. Another way to invest in gold is there's another ticker. There's an iShares Gold Trust, and this one has a lower price with similar exposure. This ticker symbol is IAU. IAU. GLD and IAU are very similar, so you can literally buy either one and be just fine. So that might be something to look at. I'm just gonna buy GLD. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm literally buying it right now at the market price. And I'm hitting the button right now, placing my order. Bam. Now my family owns more gold. Great. Just like that. Hocus pocus. Financial magic. That's what it is. All right. So what else? Another way to buy gold is there's a mining company called Barrick Gold. So if you are interested in owning gold indirectly, maybe through a mining company, in Barrick, their ticker symbol is GOLD. GOLD. There's also, but rather than picking an individual company, I like ETFs a lot. That way, you're not betting on an individual company's management; you're betting on an industry. There's another ETF called the VanEck Gold Miners ETF. So if you like gold mining companies and you just want to have a basket of them, this ticker symbol is GDX. GDX. Somebody type GDX in the chat so everybody can have it. Now, if you want to buy it through crypto, there's something they've even tokenized gold that you can get on Coinbase or crypto.com. And this ticker symbol is PAXG. PAXG. It's like Pax Gold. And then there's like this app called Vaulted. So if you want to buy real gold and you want to store it, like have it in a vault, you can get this app called Vaulted. And literally, you own like a little bit of gold inside a vault, which that's some might say you're doing too much. But then again, hey, if you don't trust the system at all and you want to own some real gold inside a vault, that might be a way to do it. I know Costco is selling gold bars. I don't think they're marking up the bars that much either. Um, uh, so maybe that's I don't even know why Costco's selling on gold bars, but they're such a great company, and actually that's another company worth buying if you want companies that are probably going to be pretty recession proof. Costco is just such a well-run organization. It's a great long-term hold. If you go into a dark market, like let's say that you just see all these headlines saying the market's crashing, you may want to keep some cash to the side and consider Costco as one of those stocks that you add to the portfolio when the whole world decides it wants to go crazy. I think their markup is between 0.8% and 2.4% over the spot price of gold. So if you purchased a 1 ounce bar in April, you would pay 25.59 or 23.59. And so you have to be a member of Costco to buy gold bars, but I honestly don't think it's worth being a Costco member. It sounds like they're doing it as a loss leader, as a way to get memberships, which is fine. They have high demand, so they have a purchase limit, so you can't buy a ton of gold, but you could keep it in your house if you want to impress your neighbors. And also, there are reselling gold can be difficult, like because when you resell gold and you're not using access to a market, you have to go find somebody that's going to buy it from you, right? So you have to go find a gold dealer and all this other stuff. So I'm not saying you shouldn't do it. I'm just saying I ain't doing it. It's too much work. All right. So anyway, that's my 2 cents on it, but it's not me. Okay. So Marie says Barrick Gold is in litigation in Niger because they owe taxes and refuse to pay. Okay, though that's a factor. That's a factor to consider, Marie.